Welcome to this Figma crash course. In the next 5 minutes, you will master the basics of Figma and become confident in designing like a pro. Let's begin. Figma is a free web-based design tool. It is used for UI and UX design, wireframing, prototyping, and real-time collaboration. It works directly in your browser. No need to install any software. Think of it like Google Docs but for design. When you log into Figma, you will see your dashboard. This is where your files, drafts, and recent designs are stored. You can also access teams and shared projects here. To start a new design, click on New Design File. Now let's explore the Figma interface. On the left side, you have the Layers and Assets panel. In the center, you have the main design canvas. On the right, you will find the Properties panel. And on the bottom, there's the toolbar, with tools like Move, Frame, Shapes, Text, and Comments. Let's start designing with frames. Frames are your design artboards. You can create frames for mobile screens, tablets, desktops, and even social media posts. Select the Frame tool and choose a preset size, or draw a custom one. You can also add layout grids to your frames. Grids help you align and space your elements properly. They are useful for responsive design. Now let's add some shapes. You can draw rectangles, circles, lines, and arrows using the shape tools. Click and drag to place a shape on the canvas. You can change its color, border, corner radius, shadow, and more from the right-hand panel. To add text, use the Text tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. You can customize the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment from the Properties panel. Next, let's talk about components. Components help you reuse design elements like buttons, cards, and icons. To create a component, select an object. Right-click and choose Create Component. Now you can reuse it anywhere in your project. When you update the main component, all copies get updated automatically. Variants are useful when you need different versions of a component. For example, hover state, active state, or disabled state. Variants help you build consistent and scalable design systems. Now let's learn about auto layout. Auto layout helps you create flexible, responsive designs. Select a frame or group of elements. Then click Add Auto Layout. Your layout will now adjust automatically when you add, remove, or resize elements. This saves a lot of time. Let's bring your design to life using prototyping. Click on the Prototype tab in the right panel. Drag a connector from one frame to another. You can choose a trigger action, like on click, while hovering, or after delay. Then select a transition style, such as slide in, dissolve, or instant. Click present to preview your interactive design. Figma also supports real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same file at the same time. You can even see other users' cursors live. Use the comment tool to give feedback without changing the design itself. Let's talk about plugins. Plugins help you extend Figma's functionality. Go to the menu. Click on Plugins. Then browse plugins. Some popular plugins are Unsplash, Icons 8, Content Reel, and Charts. These tools help you speed up your workflow. When your design is ready, you can export it easily. Select the frame or element you want to export. Go to the right panel. Click Export. And choose the file format, PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. You can also adjust resolution and export multiple assets at once. Now here are some quick shortcuts. Control or Command plus D to duplicate. Shift plus O to add auto layout. R for rectangle. T for text. Control or Command plus G to group. Control or Command plus / for quick actions. And that's it. You've just mastered the basics of Figma in under 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!